Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I'm talking about the Ankr coin. What's the current price of Ankr coin? What's the price since occur in the Ankr coin the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week? In this video I will show you friends. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new to my channel, so please click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and update friends. Anyways, let's start the video. I know you all subscribe my channel, so let's start the video friends. The currently this time price of the CUMMUNITY coin in the market, as you can see here now on the screen, 0.150817 USD is the currently price of the Ankr coin at this time, and the market absolutely the prices are very soon going up. Don't worry, as you can see here, if you look the price changes occur in the CUMMUNITY coin, so the only and only the last 1 hour price change is positive, except after the last 1 hour, the last 1 day and the last 1 week, the whole changes occur as in negative friends. So let's see why the price change is negative and what's the next move after the Ankr coin. Let's see. Oh my god, I have a good news for all of Ankr coin holders. As you can see here, if you look the chart of the Ankr coin in the last time, so as you can see here in the last 1 hour pricing is positive. That's mean that the Ankr coin again take a jump at this time. As you can see, that is why the last 1 day, I mean the 24-hour price change as positive friends. So friends, on the other hand, if we look the price change occur in the last 1 day, so the last 1 day price change as a negative. Don't worry, I know that this time the pricing is negative, but very soon if this kind of pump continue throughout this whole week, so the price become very soon positive, and the price is also going upward friends. So what's your prediction about Ankr coin? My prediction is very positive about Ankr coin because I really like Ankr coin. I'm also holder of Ankr coin this time. I know the previous time of the Ankr coin as bad time, but now at this time the current time of the Ankr coin as best time. Now it's time to make a profit with the Ankr coin because the Ankr coin is going to the moon. Are you ready for the moon? Let's go to the moon. Ankr coin start pumping. What's your prediction? Please share in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.